Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make fan art step by step. First, let's plan your artwork. Think about what character or scene you want to depict from your favorite show, game, or book. Decide on the pose, expression, and overall mood you want to convey. Gathering a few reference images will greatly help with accuracy and inspiration. Finally, consider the composition and focal point to make your piece visually engaging. Now, let's move on to the sketching phase. Begin with a very light, rough sketch to block out your main forms. Use simple shapes like circles and ovals to establish the character's proportions and anatomy. Gradually refine your sketch, adding more specific details and cleaning up any messy lines. Aim for clear line work that will serve as a solid foundation for coloring. With your line work complete, it's time to add color and bring your fan art to life. Start by applying flat base colors to each distinct area of your drawing. Next, introduce shadows to create depth and dimension, thinking about where your light source is coming from. Then, add highlights to show the brightest areas and suggest texture. Blend your colors smoothly for a professional and polished appearance. For our final step, let's add those crucial finishing touches. Take a moment to review your entire artwork for any small inconsistencies or areas that need improvement. Consider adding subtle textures or simple background elements to enhance the overall scene. Adjust the colors, contrast, and brightness to make your fan art truly pop. Finally, don't forget to sign your completed piece to claim your amazing work.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.